Hi everybody, today I am doing a what's in my beautiful Hermes Kelly 25 in this very beautiful green mint color. I hope that you guys can tell on camera. I tried to adjust my settings to show as close to what it looks like in person, but yeah, I don't know. I think maybe my settings are off. But if you guys head over to my Instagram, I will try to post as much photos of this color as I could. It's very hard to capture without seeing in person. Nonetheless, this is she in this beautiful, so this is how I would pack it normally, and this is my personal full capacity for my personal preference and comfortability, because I don't want to puff out the sides, I don't want to overstuff it, and also I don't want it to be too heavy. Can I just say that the Kelly is a game changer and a life changer for me personally. But before we start my opening what's in my bag, I do want to mention that I am selling my YSL medium puffer in this beautiful mustard color. If anybody is interested, please send me a message. I'll put my email down below. But yes, she is pretty and beautiful and so luxurious and supple. However, I don't reach for her as much as I thought I would in my head when I purchased her. So I want her to go to somebody who would love her more than I did. Okay, now back to my Kelly. So when I wear her on a daily basis, I do try to put the sangles back together like this. And also, I forgot to show you guys last time the clochette and the key. So pretty, but I don't wear it just because the lock, if you've ever held this lock, it is very heavy, and if you put it on top of what your existing bag carries already, I just don't want additional weight to be carried with me on a daily basis. But anyways, so the singles are back on. I'm very delicate with her. I wasn't with my Birkins or my Constance. If you guys would have seen my Constance, I'll try to do like a review of it. But I really did wear her out. My Constance is worn out. Anyways, this is she. And I tried to put the Hermes Paris logo as the front. Let me see how I do this. Okay. You hear my kids outside? They're always with me, so those are the singles. And then that's another thing. I don't want to be flopping around, because it doesn't have, unlike the Kelly, or I mean unlike the Birkin where it has the hooks right here, it just droops down like that, and I'm worried that over time it would just sag, and I don't want it to sag. And then you just kind of unhook it like that. I still have the stickers on the bottom piece, and I did take out the stickers on this part, and
unknown caller,
looks fine. Okay, so I just open it like that, and here's how it kind of looks like. It does open a good amount, like mouth opening wise. That's pretty generous in my opinion. So let's just start pulling stuff out. If you have watched my previous what's in my bag videos, this is not gonna come to a surprise, but I do have diapers and wipes, and a receipt just fell. Diapers and wipes in my purse, because my mom bag is also my baby bag. And then I have spare stuff everywhere else as far as my clothes, things like that in my car. But nonetheless, I have this makeup pouch, and it matches this color so well. Look how pretty that is. Can you tell? So pretty. This is from Amazon, and let me set this down. And in here I just have my Hermes lip stain, which I really love. So pretty. And it's like this magnetic with the dust bag. And then I have business cards and fragrances in here. That way it doesn't spill. And this is also a magnetic like enclosure. And then I have my wallet, which this one is in Vert Cricket. So pretty. I think maybe like one of my Twillies. So pretty. And then lastly, I have receipts and my car keys. And I do not put anything in the zip compartment. And then I do have just some business cards in that flap pocket. Okay, if you're not a mom like myself and you want to carry other items in your bag, then I will suggest, or I will show you some other items I have in my possession that you may or may not be carrying. So I just have this Michael Kors little pouch, and this is fairly thick. I just have a bunch of receipts in here, and some people may hold this as a cosmetic pouch, so I'll just put that in here. There you go. And then I have a passport holder. I have 2 passports in here. That could be like a document of some sort. And then I have, again, my Calvi. And then another Calvi. And say your makeup pouch. And then your keys. And that will fit in there. However, it is a little bit difficult to then close. Let's see, I don't want to hurt my bag for the demonstration, but let's see.
And then they eat their own team. So this is
yeah, that's gonna be like tough. So I'm just gonna take off the makeup pouch, and then in that case it'll close. That's how it looks on the sides. And then you can also, let me push this down. If you have sunglasses, you can put that in here. Just on top. And then that one should still be able to close.
I'm gonna win.
Yeah, it does. And it's starting to put that on the sides. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.